Today is Easter Sunday. Now, I made the mistake on Friday of saying Happy Easter, but I got in trouble from my mum. She said, no, today's the sad day. So I stand corrected, but for anyone who celebrates Easter, Happy Easter today. Here's a fun fact for you. In 1977, I saw my first Star Wars movie, and I've been a fan ever since. Every 5 years in Australia, they do a census where they collect all sorts of data. Now, ever since I've been an adult, when it gets to the religion section, I write in Jedi. I'm not alone. Apparently at the moment, there's over 70,000 people who write in Jedi as their religion. I absolutely love the first 3 movies. The prequel series, not too bad. Not so sure about the last 3. I think Disney did a pretty good job of stuffing it up. Today, the weather's a lot better, and I think it's a perfect opportunity to go and cut some more firewood. But first, one more cup of sitting on the deck. We drink so many cups of tea in a day. We also drink alcohol, but we love our tea. It's the one thing we can't do without. Back during the bushfires, we had some really strong winds, and we woke up one morning to see this tree had just completely snapped off. It's going to take a long time to cut up, but it's going to make some really good firewood. Amazing what a difference it's got paintball makes. I reckon that's a good start. We got about 6 loads of wood up into the woodshed, and I have to remember that it's a marathon, not a sprint. So that'll do for the day. I mentioned the other day that we've been missing the lake. Between the bushfires and now coronavirus, we haven't been out there this year at all. So I thought that I'd share some footage of some of the things that we like to do. And of course, winter is coming in Australia. I don't think we're even going to have a ski season here this year, so I'm going to leave you with some ski and snowboard footage. Thanks for watching. See you tomorrow. Look.